Good morning, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic and our Department of Information Technology. Today we will start 41st lecture on course that is subject data structure using C. Course outcome: after the completion of unit number 4, you will achieve which CO? Fourth CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission, in their 3 statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus of course means what? In their 5 units are there and their marks allocation. And in that syllabus of unit number 4, linked list, carefully observe that in that 4.1 is already completed, 4.2 also is completed. In that said as the types of list: linear list and circular list. Types of list in your syllabus only said as the studied the linear list and circular lists. Linear list means what? Singly linked list. Okay, in that not said as the doubly linked list, but doubly linked list also types of list. On that point means doubly linked list, on that point no any question is asked, but it is the type of list, so our understanding purpose only that points are learned, and that points are will be studied on that today's lecture. And also point operations on a singly linked list in under traversing singly linked, searching a key means searching the element, inserting new node and deleting the new node in both to respectively 3 nodes through. Okay, means what? In that syllabus only form the operations on singly linked list in detail. Okay, not in the operations on doubly linked list and also not operations on circular linked list. Only for types means concepts are clear using through circular list in under the types of list. Okay, means what? In your syllabus actually important points is singly linked list in detail, means their singly linked list also known as a linear. In detail means their operations also, their concept, their how to solve that example, whatever. Okay, means concentrate on the main point is the singly linked list, and other types of list means what? Doubly linked list and circular linked list, that also I am teaching to you, but that 2 points, that 2 types only for your understanding purpose you take it. Okay, not necessary to in detail study that, because that are not syllabus for you. On that types of list, 1 point is circular list. This point is only for types of list, means this concept is important. That's also not the important that operations, but in case the concept in the under the types of list, the concepts are added, means obviously in any case ask the question on that operations and that also program. So also I'm that teaching to you, and in the practical also the programs are there on that circular list. But in a doubly linked list no any question is asked, but it is the type of list. Okay, in case ask the question, not the 99% ask the question, but in the case ask the question, so their minimum their concept is clear that on that what is meant by doubly linked list. Not in a detailed study, this program is also not important, but I'm also that showing to how to run that only for understanding purpose, only for your understanding purpose, and your clear the types of list. Okay, clear the point? Means most of focus on the types singly linked list, also said as the linear linked list, and 50% concentrate on that circular linked list. Means all that concept is clear, that concept is perfect, you studied that. Only for program is 50% asked or not. Okay, next now we start the point operations on doubly linked list. In that, creating a doubly linked list and inserting a node in a doubly linked list, and in that also three possibilities, three scenarios are there: at the beginning, at the end, and in the between, means in a specific node. This point is not important as compared to other points. Okay, but it is a types of singly linked list. Sorry, it is a type of linked list, and under your understanding purpose, I am to that added this point. Okay, 90% is not asked the question because it is not a syllabus in your, but it is a type of linked list. In the case asked, only for you know the what is mean by doubly linked list. You write the 4 out of 4 marks, 2 marks are there. So, and that points are added. Operations on doubly linked list. In under first point, doubly linked list is a sequence of elements in which every element has linked to its previous and next elements in the sequence. Means what? In that doubly linked list, in a previous point, in under the types of linked list, we studied singly linked list. In under only two fields are there. One is the data and second is the list of the, next second field is the link. Means what? Address of the next element. But in a doubly is indicate that double, singly is indicate that single. Doubly means in that double link are there, means double address are there, which are the first, previous and the next. Okay, a doubly linked list or a two-way, this is also said as the two-way list, is a, means doubly linked list also second word is that two-way list is a linear collection of data elements called nodes, where each node is divided into 3 parts. Okay? And information, there 3 parts are there, an information field which contains the actually data. 3 parts are there: link 1, data, link 2. In an information field means actually data are there, value of that node. Next, second part is that a pointer field, next, this is the, which contains the location of the next node in the next, points to the next node. Third part, a pointer field PREV means previous, which contains the location of the previous node in the list, that is link 1, points to the previous node. This list called doubly because each node has 2 pointers, previous and next pointers. Okay. The previous pointers point to the previous node and the next pointer points to the next node. Clear? Only in case of head, only in case of head means only in case of start node, the previous pointer is obviously null because it is the first node, and the last node next pointer points to the null because it is the last node. So this list is a linear one. Means what? In the case of when we head node are there in a doubly linked list, means first node are there, that nodes are not the previous pointer, and on that doubly linked list the last node also on that, in that next pointers are not there, that are declared as a null because these are the last element. These only points are there in a doubly linked list, and these are the considered as the one address, means said as this is the linear one. Example of doubly linked list, that 24, 25, 26, 27. First it is the last. In that first, no previous address, so it is said as the null, and in the last, no as the next address, so it is as a null, because the last node, it is the first node. The structure required for the doubly linked list is given below. Structure is declared. In that, 3 data members are taken, which are the info, next and previous. Okay, means next and previous is the address are there, so it is declared as the pointer with structure, and start is the variable of structure as initialized as a null. Here info is the field which will hold the data. Next pointer will store the address of the next successive nodes, and prev pointer will hold the address of the immediate preceding nodes, means again next node of that address. In a prev pointers will next means what? Address of the next successive nodes means what? In that next pointer store the address of the next element, and in that prev pointers will hold the address of the immediate preceding. Preceding means before, immediate. Okay, before which pointers are there on that element or node, that before immediately preceding means before nodes are address hold on that prev pointer. Start is the pointer which points to the starting of the linked list, generally holds the address of the first node in the list. In under 3 tasks are there, 3 possibilities are there. First, creating the doubly linked list is what? After that, inserting the doubly linked list and deleting the doubly linked list. In under first point, creating a doubly linked list means what? How to create the doubly linked list means one by one elements are added. Creation of doubly linked list, DLL means doubly linked list, has the same process as that of singly linked list. In under how to create the singly linked list, that same procedure are there. The only difference is each node must be linked to its preceding and successor. Start is the pointer pointing to the start of the doubly linked list. Means in that only for starting and before and next address are there. There points to the start pointer points to the start of the doubly linked list. Since initially no nodes are available in the list, so start will be point null. Now create a new node using following function. Firstly, temp variables are taken for temporary variable, on that value will be stored. After that, temp malloc means memory allocations are done at the runtime. Next, that null of that temp that next address and no temp arrow of previous. Okay, it is the sign of arrow operator, because in that we use the structure with pointer, and in the structure with pointer their data members how to access using through this operator. After that, null is initialization. Firstly, since here start the pointing to null as there no elements, as so temp is the first node in the list, make start to point to as a temp. Means if start is equal to null, means obviously that temp is initialization to start. Okay, in that first of all info field, in that for example 10 is value are stored. Okay, firstly we assign the value of that 10, and in a next address field as a null, and in a previous address also field as a null. In this case, that temp previous and temp next both will be points to the null, because it is the first element on the list. If some elements are already present in the list, then we have to traverse till the last node and add the newly created node at the end with following statement. Okay, the statement means what? Their logic. Okay, their algorithms are there. First, q pointers are taken. Start is initialization for q. Up to that q next not is equal to null, up to that travels one by one node in the list. When found that time q of next is initialization of q pointer, and that temp which elements are is that q of next. Okay, that initialization is a q pointer, and that temp means what? First of all, in that find the u, sorry, this is a q, then q in that j, q of next. Okay, this is the firstly q, and the next element this 50, this is the null. So in that stop and the inner part is executed. So that time which are the q's next point? 50 as a consider as a q. It means obviously move from 30 to 40 q pointer. Next, this statement means what? That temporary which in a temporary which elements are added that are already stored it, that is connected to that q of next. Okay, and that q is connected to the temporary temp of previous, means what? Okay, means what? That temp are connected to the p of next, and that q means that q is connected to that temp previous, means automatically that desired link are created on that between that two nodes. Program to creating a doubly linked list. Okay, std conio, these are the header files. These are the std conio header files. malloc are also header files because memory allocations are done at the execution structure variable structure declaration. Node is the structure name, info, next and previous, three data members of that structure. Start is the variable of structure, or initialization null. While main, to that with the variable declarations, also clear screen that through these two segments, through message will be displayed which elements will be inserted and that are stored it. That memory allocation is done to that which elements are added that are stored in through firstly in a temp variable, in a previous null. That start is the null, then that are stored as a first element, otherwise moved to the up to when null pointers are there, and that elements are one by one elements are displayed. Outputs are there. For example, enter the element to be inserted 10, that 10 will be displayed. So in that only for one elements are to be inserted, and then to display using this statement. Okay, q up to null, then elements will be displayed. Next point, inserting a nodes in DLL, means doubly linked list. In under three cases are there. At first case, inserting nodes at the beginning in the list in the DLL. Suppose we already have three nodes in the list as shown in below figure 1, 2, 3, 25, 30, 50. Now create a new node using malloc function. Okay, means so this is the temp, in a temp variable that value will be stored as a 10. Now make temp's next field to point to the node where start is pointing. Okay, this is firstly start pointing, and then change the start's previous pointer to point to the pointer to point to temp, and then change the start to the pointer temp. Means what? In short, first is this list are there. Okay, you add the node at the beginning, so it is a temporary value as stored which are the 10 that will be added to that 25. Their temp next are connected to that start previous. Okay, and this temp as a consider as a start, means automatically that will be connected to that existing list that shown it. Firstly this are connected with, and they are also connected with, is considered as a start. This is the program to insert the beginning and in a doubly linked list. These are the header files, structure, declaration, structure variable, while main, variable declaration. After that, which value inserted that are inputted is that are stored in a temporary variable. To that, this is the first node is start is the null, means that allocated, otherwise that temp is the assigned to that start previous, okay, and that start pointer assigned to that temp next. That two nodes are connected with each other. Again, that temp as a considered start pointer, means obviously because start is the first node head. Okay. So temp is connected with that existing means automatically temp is temp is automatically assigned to that start. Not automatically, because temp in that first node are there that are connected with existing lists, means obviously that temp as a created as work as a start, so initialization it. Insert the more elements, then are inserted with ch variable through, otherwise exit on that loop and in that display using this statement through. Up to null, move the pointer and one by one elements are moved, one by one elements are displayed, and this q arrow of next means that q pointer are moved one node to another node, means in shortly increment is done. Output, for example, enter the element to be inserted 30, after that you want to insert yes, again you insert the 20, again you insert the more element as 10, means that one by one elements will be displayed. First 30 will be displayed, 20 is before, 10 is again before. Okay. Next, second point, inserting node at the end in a DLL. Suppose we have 3 nodes in the list. Okay, 3 lists are there. Now you create a new node as temp using malloc function. Let it traverse up to end of the linked list. Let q as the last node of the list. Now q next pointers to the pointer temp, and the temp previous fields to a q as given below, means that last 2 points are connected with each other. Okay, because this is the q is point to the 1, 2, 3 move it. After that, that temp, okay, that temp is connected with the that q of next, okay, because in a q of next address of the next element, and temp is our next element. Okay, so that connected with, and previous, that will be which previous temp of previous are connected to the q, means that that temp previous is connected to the q. That through and create on that appropriate link, and automatically that insert on that 10 to end. Here program to insert at end in a DLL, header files, function declaration, structure declaration. This is the data members of structure. These are the variable of structure. While remain, variable declaration, clear screen, output window will be clear. Do, in that element will be inserted, printf and scanner function. Memory allocation done, that temporary variable or which variable, which value, which element, which node are inserted on that list. Store in a info field, previous and next as a considered as a null. This first start is equal to null. Check that, means in that list is on that list no any elements are there, then obviously connected with to start is condition false. Then start as a assigned to that q pointer, q because moving the pointer on that list up to null. Check that null found, that time that next is assigned to that q, and the temp is assigned to that next, and their queue is connected to the previous. If we want to insert element, yes, that are stored in a ch variable, otherwise exit on that loop, function call, and display function is done. And then display it one by one values. And this queue of arrow next means what? Pointer queue will be moved to the one node to another node. One node is displayed, next another node is displayed, again move to third node, again third node is displayed. That's like output. Enter the element to be inserted 10, again yes, 20, 30, and one by one are end of firstly 10, after that end 20 will be inserted of 10, next 30 will be inserted end of that 20. That's like. Next point, inserting node in between specified node in DL means specified location or specified position. Suppose we already have 4 nodes in the list, except the index after which new node to insert, traverse the list up to that node after which we want insert a node in the list, and then do the appropriate changes to the next and previous field of the node with following statements. That queue of next are assigned to that temporary next variable. Again, that temporary are stored means only if q is not a last node. That time that temporary value are stored to the that p of next to previous means, for example, q. This is a q. Okay, for example, this is a q. The q next. Okay, and that next previous is temp. Means what is q is the when last. Is not a last node. Again, that temp is assigned to that q of next means this p q of next means this, for example, this is a q, that next means this element 50 element, q is the 30 element, that next element 50 element. Again q is assigned to that temp previous. That figure shows that means what, in a 20s add to that in a middle, that time that q next. Okay, that q next, first we found the which location, for example we add the this location, q of next. Okay, that q of in next, these are assigned to that temp next. This is the temp next. Again that temp is assigned to that q of next, and that q is assigned to that previous means connected with each other. Then also that p of next previous, this is also connected with the temp. The program to insert the after the location in the DLL. These are the header files, structure variable, structure declaration. These are the data members. These are the structure variable, void main. Do memory allocation is done. Input the values that are stored in a temporary variable. First is a check that null, not null, then insert it with, otherwise go in the next else part. In that input, enter the index after which elements to be inserted, that will be inserted in the index, and start is assigned to that q, because q is pointer at move, and I is equal to 0, I less than index I plus plus means up to that index, that move that q next of that q, assign that the q is equal to null means that the q pointer points to the last element, then now added, because our goal is our aim is that insert in a middle. Okay, for example, you find the q as a null means not inserted it, break that, and again next check that it is not null means obviously your pointer is present in the middle of that list. That q of next, this logic are used that q of next is assigned to that temp next. Again that q next is not null means that temporary last elements are not there means obviously that temporary that stored in there, that p of next to previous means before that queue before elements are connected. And after that, it is the condition is not true, means this statement, after these statements are done, run it, temp is assigned to that queue of next, and that queue is connected with the assigned to or initialization to temp or previous. Do you want to insert element? Then otherwise insert it with ch variable, otherwise not, and display the message. Output, for example, enter the element to be inserted 10. Do you want to insert? Yes. Again you insert the element 20. Insert the index after which elements to be inserted. For example, 20 will be stored as the after the 0, and you want to insert the next element 30, which will be after the 1. So 0, 1 up to 1 by 1 elements are stored. And these are the using the turbo C to run it. I am showing that. This is the middle insert program to insert the after a location in a DLL. These are the program. Yes. 30. Takes for example insert yes. 40. Index 1. Yes. 50. So, no. That number, that elements will be displayed on that list. Again. So program header files structure variable declaration, after that write main program, that in a temporary through values are stored in an info field, previous and next pointer as a null, like okay. After that compile it and run it. Insert 10. Yes, insert 30, insert yes 70, no, 1 by 1 before elements will be inserted. Again you open that, which program? End, it's okay. Also header files structure variable, after that file main, after that elements will be stored in a temporary variable, after that this part will be executed. Compile it and run it. Clear screen, sorry, yes. Spelling mistake are there. CLR, SCL. For example, insert the 60 number onto yes, 30, yes, no. After 60, first 60 is inserted, after that 30, because end. After that, which program? Third, next program, create. create DL, yes, doubly linked list. The files, structure variables, void main, temporary value store, and then display date. Sorry, compile it and run it. Insert in display again. So compile it, run it. That's like means create the node in a doubly linked list program. Summary on that today's lecture: operations on doubly links in under, creating a doubly linked list, and next point, inserting a nodes in doubly linked list. In that, 3 possibilities: at the beginning, at the end, and at in a between, means in a specific node, or specific position. Homework: continue the assignment number 4. Explain how to creating a doubly linked list means what. In that, theory parts are added, in that also theory parts are added. This point is not important as compared to singly linked list and circular linked list, but it is a type of linked list, so that points are added. Once again, remember for you reminder that it is the 90% is not asked the question because it is not added in your syllabus, but it is a type of linked list. So in case asked the question, minimum you write the theory parts also. So I am that taking that point. And 99% program is also not to be asked. Okay, but first point, I am also again remember that. Sorry, I am again reminder to you. The first point, singly linked list, is important. Okay. 99% all questions are asked to on that singly linked list only for. Okay, only 1% is asked to a circular linked list and doubly linked list. Maximum not, but either ask. So I am to edit this point. Here stop on today's Here stop on today's lecture. In this point, any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.